Okay, so guess what? I have a lot of different utensils, a lot of toys, a lot of new things that I've been getting. And I've been having this Ninja Foodie, but I am actually going to start using it. And you guys are going to be my first viewers on me opening this up. Ninja Foodie, bitch, I've been telling you about this. It's like air fryer.
I know.
Yes, I've been having it, but I haven't used it, and it comes with a bunch of different stuff, so it's just gonna be pretty cool. I also know that there's a grill, and so meanwhile, okay, we're gonna be doing some other stuff. I'm gonna have the team open this up and put it together for me, while me and JoJo over here, Black Widow, are gonna be doing some steaming.
She's
Not that
going
kind
in
of
on that
steaming.
pickle.
There, she's going in on that pickle.
I swear I'm here to help.
Okay, so here is my Ninja. Not that type of Ninja, but this Ninja right here. Okay, so I do not know how to work it. I don't even know. I'm gonna have to play with it, and I will use it on my next session. It came with like a few things. Okay, there's a griller, so I can't wait to use it and grow with it. You know, I'm gonna bring this in my kitchen, and I don't even know how to even open it, but there we go. So it's just like, I could just do so much with it. So just be tuned in. Meanwhile, I have this other little fun thing. We just put some water in it, which is a steamer. I have these shrimp that I just sauteed with like Cajun sauce, garlic, butter, salt, pepper, and a couple other ingredients. Okay, so let's get a little messy. Who gives a fuck? It's Halloween, so let's just throw these shrimps up in there. Okay, and we also have a few asparagus. Okay,
My favorite.
So, yes. And it consumes of oil, garlic, and here are the asparagus and the shrimp. Okay, so oh god, you know what? I can't forget about Whittle's request, her lobster tails. Can you please hand me over those beautiful lobster tails that are right there? And we're gonna go ahead and steam them all together. You see this right here? Okay, so.
I feel like I'm at boiling crab.
Oh shoot, here we go. So there's that. And then let's put the other one in there. Let's leave the little skulls out of the way. So here it is. Okay, so now we're gonna just close it off, and we're gonna turn this on, which should be on. Oh, actually it's not, because somebody unplugged it, and here we go. So there it goes. Okay, so this steamer, sounds like something's done in the back. Okay, so it says actually, let me see, seafood. Here we go, and we're gonna start. So now it's gonna start doing its job. It has garlic, olive oil, a bunch of different spices, some Cajun sauce, and we're about to like sauce it up some more. Okay, so meanwhile that's cooking, because my whole girl's, you know, she's hungry. So we're gonna do some lobster tails, some shrimp, and some asparagus. Meanwhile, and obviously look at this display right here. We still got a lot of other ingredients that we gotta put in. And as a matter of fact, I think I might be able to, oh god. Look at this. For anybody who's gonna be talking shit about sanitation, guess what, bitch? Eat that too.
You ain't eating it, bitch. Shut up.
Yeah. Okay, so.
Oh my god. It looks beautiful.
Thank you. See the beautiful steaming? The garlic and everything. Here are some shrimp. Some lobster tails.
It cooked it so fast, girl.
Very
I
fast.
take hours on the stove. And so much of it.
Wow. And voila.
Oh, you fancy.
There you go.
Thank you. I'm a tester. Want that? There you go. No gloves. The flavor.
So this basically cooks itself. I just marinated with some garlic, some Cajun, some Laurie's garlic salt like always, and butter. So this does it itself. And here is the shrimp. Look at this. Oh my god. I just want to. Oh, so good.